Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility, so check CPU features and whether the machine uses UEFI with GPT. Once done, enable virtualization in firmware if you plan virtual machines. Make immediate backups and build 2 bootable USB installers. Label them. Then shrink an existing partition or free at least 50% of the target drive with a disk manager. Make sure to record current boot order and partition layout before proceeding. You install the first operating system to its partition, follow custom install, and do not overwrite unrelated partitions. Once installed, reboot and verify it runs. Next, install the second OS to the other partition, picking the advanced/custom option so you target the correct volume. After both installs, install or configure a boot manager, or adjust UEFI boot entries to list both systems. Make sure to test booting into each OS immediately, so you catch bootloader issues early. You finish by creating a shared data partition or sync workflow so files are accessible from both systems. Plan for NTFS versus ext4 compatibility. Then install drivers and system updates on each OS and set a separate backup routine. If something goes wrong, first attempt boot repair. Use a live USB to run bootloader repair tools or restore UEFI entries, and then rebuild the boot manager if needed. If that fails, restore from your initial backup image to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.